Mars is a planet that's of high interest. For years, NASA have been carrying out various experiments on the red planet, with other space agencies such as Spacex saying they're also interested in Mars, even going as far as saying that within the next 10 years they want to put humans on the Martian soil. According to NASA, Mars is a planet that doesn't really have much going on, saying that the climate is harsh and there's no forms of life. Interestingly though, various people have managed to capture some interesting photos of the Martian surface, with amateur researchers saying there's more going on there than what we're being told. One idea that's put forward is that Mars is actually full of precious metals, with gold being one of the main ones. NASA have even said that gold likely exists on Mars in trace amounts. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and it's been theorized that gold could be near the surface of Mars as this volcano is still relatively young. Going back a few years ago, amateur researchers posted images online allegedly showing what looks like small gold nuggets. One idea that was put forward was that the rock could be from a meteorite impact, and this isn't a far-fetched idea either, with scientists saying that over 200 meteorites hit the planet every year. The photographs were taken on the 26th of November, and NASA scientists said they'll now try to locate the objects so they can take more detailed photographs. These recent images are the ones that's currently making the rounds, allegedly showing what looks like large gold deposits on the Martian surface. Various people on Facebook groups gave their opinion on what they could be, with one user saying the following: "I think there's more to Mars than what they're letting on, and these discoveries prove it. I think there are large gold deposits that run through the surface of the planet. Maybe that's why space agencies are gearing up to go there. We know there's water deposits there, so who knows what else is there." End quote. It seems we'll have to wait for future missions to see if there's as much gold as people make out, or if it's just shiny rocks as some researchers suggest. Although this may be the case, astronomers have said that space is littered with many interesting objects, one of which is that of the billionaire banking asteroid, more commonly known as 16 Psyche. An asteroid hitting Earth normally isn't a good thing. However, in March 1892, scientists discovered an incredible asteroid that's unlike any other that's out in our vast universe. 16 Psyche, as it was named, is not a rocky or icy body, but rather made up of valuable metals that are currently found in Earth's core. Some of these metals are used in everyday industry, and some are a little more special. One of these metals is gold. In theory, we have a massive space bank sitting thousands of miles above us, somewhere between Mars and Jupiter. 16 Psyche measures around 140 miles in diameter, and makes up around 1% of the mass of the main asteroid belt. It's thought to be a stripped core of another planet, allowing scientists to gain a deeper understanding of what our planet's core is like. It's one of the biggest asteroids in the solar system, meaning if it did hit Earth, it would take a lot of people before anybody got their hands on any gold. However, if in theory scientists could harness the asteroid and bring it back to Earth, then the wealth that could be obtained would be unimaginable. As far as scientists currently know, this value stands at around $700 quintillion. The thing is that making everybody billionaires would basically keep everybody at the same level of wealth they were before. The world economy is only worth around $59 trillion, so if 700 quintillion was injected into it, the entire world economy would crash and would essentially render money worthless. For example, loaves of bread and pints of milk would begin to be priced at millions of pounds, and holidays at billions. In other words, there would be a massive inflation. Gold will no longer be worth as much, and this process is already underway as companies start to look at mining asteroids closer to Earth. Whilst we're on the business side of things, companies may begin to monopolize the mining of these asteroids, which would keep gold prices high and out of the hands of the average person. This sort of thing has happened before with valuable minerals and metals. In the 1800s South Africa, the De Beers company effectively monopolized the diamond industry, inventing the cliche "a diamond is forever." Now NASA is hoping to send a craft to visit the asteroid in 2022, arriving in 2026. It offers NASA the chance to research further about what our own planet is composed of, and to delve deeper into the history of how terrestrial planets came to exist. However, it seems highly unlikely that any of the gold in the chest will be in yours or my hands anytime soon, something we can only dream of. It does show us though an example of what could be out there in the endless expanse of space. This incredible object was found within our solar system, something that is monumentally small when compared to the universe. It's one of the reasons that people have an open mind about things when it comes to our universe. Due to it being so vast, the possibilities are endless. As mentioned, companies like NASA and Spacex are gearing up to send humans back into space, with missions being planned for the Moon and Mars. Spacex has announced their plans to send over 1 million people to Mars by 2050. And not only this, but they plan to build an actual city for these people in the hopes that a new civilization can be started. Elon Musk stated in various tweets that the end goal is to get 1 million people on Mars, and he hopes to do this within the next few decades. He also said that he hopes that 1,000 starships can help him achieve this. He goes on to say that the goal is to be able to launch several of these starships a day, so that trips to Mars can be open all the time. So what do you guys make of these recent space discoveries? And do you think there's precious minerals like gold on Mars? Also, if you was given the choice, would you sign up to be sent to the Red Planet? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.